How to make only followings can comment on your videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only followings can comment on your videos on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and now click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy and click privacy and scroll down until you find comments and click on it, and here you will find this one, second one here, click on it, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.